Hello everyone. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals, and drop a comment telling us what car you drive. Now let me ask you something. Are you still stuck with a car screen that feels outdated, slow, or completely missing modern features like CarPlay, Bluetooth, or quality video playback? Maybe your navigation is clunky, your audio controls are limited, or your passengers are bored on long drives. In today's video, we're fixing that problem. I'm breaking down the best car in-dash DVD and video receivers available right now, showing you which ones deliver the best performance, the cleanest displays, and the smartest features. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which upgrade is right for your car and your budget. Starting at number 5, the Krunia 7-inch wireless portable 60fps CarPlay screen is designed for drivers who want an easy upgrade without complex installation. This unit features a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen that delivers smooth 60 frames per second performance, making scrolling, navigation, and video playback noticeably fluid. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless access to maps, calls, music, and messaging without plugging in cables. The system includes built-in speakers, Bluetooth connectivity for audio output to your car system, and an FM transmitter option, along with a suction or dashboard mount for flexible placement. Power is supplied via a simple USB or cigarette lighter connection, making it compatible with nearly any vehicle. In real-world use, the Krunia screen stands out for its smooth visuals and hassle-free setup, making it ideal for drivers who want modern smartphone features without replacing their factory stereo. It's especially well-suited for older vehicles or rental cars where permanent installation isn't an option. The main drawback is that the built-in speakers are basic, but when paired with your car's audio system, it still delivers excellent value for the price. At number 4, the Hieha 2025 wireless portable CarPlay and Android Auto screen brings a slightly more refined approach with a focus on clarity and connectivity. This model features a bright touchscreen display designed for improved visibility in daylight, along with full wireless support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It includes Bluetooth audio transmission, FM output, and AUX support, ensuring compatibility with most vehicle audio systems. The unit also supports voice assistance, steering wheel control integration on compatible vehicles, and comes with a stable mounting system for dashboards or windshields. What makes the Hieha stand out is its reliability and consistent performance, making it a great choice for daily commuters who want dependable navigation and hands-free calling. It's perfect for drivers who prioritize ease of use and cross-platform compatibility. The only minor downside is that its interface design is fairly simple, but its performance more than makes up for it. Number 3 brings us to the KENWOOD DDX5707S Double-DIN DVD car stereo, a more traditional in-dash upgrade for drivers ready for a permanent solution. This unit features a 6.8-inch WVGA touchscreen, DVD and CD playback, USB input, and Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. It supports Apple CarPlay via wired connection, Android Auto compatibility, and includes a built-in AM/FM tuner with multiple pre-outs for system expansion. The receiver also supports rear-view camera input and customizable audio settings through KENWOOD's digital sound processing. The KENWOOD DDX5707S shines in sound quality, reliability, and brand reputation, making it ideal for audio enthusiasts and drivers upgrading their full car entertainment system. It's best for those who want strong audio control alongside video playback. The main limitation is that CarPlay requires a wired connection, but the overall performance still makes it a solid investment. At number 2, the Antika wireless CarPlay screen focuses on convenience and modern usability. This portable display offers a crisp touchscreen with full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, eliminating cable clutter entirely. It includes Bluetooth audio, FM transmission, AUX output, and built-in speakers, along with easy plug-and-play power options. The system is designed to boot quickly and maintain a stable wireless connection, ensuring smooth navigation and media playback during everyday driving. The Antika screen stands out for its fast response times and clean interface, making it perfect for drivers who want a modern feel without modifying their dashboard. It's especially good for rideshare drivers or families who switch vehicles often. The only small drawback is that it doesn't integrate as deeply with factory steering wheel controls, but its convenience still makes it well worth buying. Finally, taking the #1 spot, the Veralady wireless Apple CarPlay screen delivers a premium portable infotainment experience. This unit features a high-resolution display optimized for clarity and touch responsiveness, along with seamless wireless Apple CarPlay connectivity. It supports Bluetooth audio, FM and AUX output, voice control through Siri, and easy mounting options for different vehicle interiors. The system is designed for quick startup, stable wireless performance, and intuitive operation that mirrors a factory-installed system. What truly sets the Veralady screen apart is its balance of design, performance, and reliability, making it the best choice for drivers who want a premium CarPlay experience without replacing their head unit. It's ideal for modern drivers who value convenience, safety, and a clean dashboard setup. While it focuses primarily on Apple CarPlay rather than deep Android features, its overall quality still makes it a top-tier option. And that wraps up our review of the best car in-dash DVD and video receivers available right now. If this video helped you narrow down the perfect upgrade for your car, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest automotive reviews. Make sure you check the links in the description to find the best current deals on all the units we talked about today. And drop a comment below letting us know which receiver you'd choose or if you're already using one of these systems. Your feedback helps other viewers and helps the channel grow. So thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.